How to mine Shiba Inu is a search query that's gaining ground on Google as people seek to acquire SHIB without purchasing it on a cryptocurrency exchange. Why spend your hard-earned cash when you can allow your idle hardware to generate SHIB for you? The term crypto mining may sound a little intimidating, but the only thing that'll be breaking a sweat here is your GPU. While you can mine on a laptop, there are some limitations. We'll dive into those drawbacks later, but for now, let's discuss how mining works. What is crypto mining? Crypto mining involves the process of earning digital asset rewards, tokens of appreciation, if you will, as a result of solving cryptographic equations with one's hardware. Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token, which means it runs on the Ethereum blockchain. What's a blockchain? It's a virtual database of transactions distributed and duplicated across a peer-to-peer network of computers. It's a digital ledger, basically. Each block on a blockchain is filled with Ethereum transaction data, e.g. Jack sent $500 worth of ETH to Tina. Next, it's up to the Ethereum miners to verify each block for security and accuracy. Here's where you'd come in as a miner. Each Ethereum block comes with a complex, mathematical problem that is extremely difficult to solve. The Ethereum miner that solves this complicated puzzle first wins the transaction fees and scores ETH rewards. As such, the Ethereum network is biased. It doles out greater rewards to miners with high-powered hardware. This is why laptops are not recommended for mining. Yes, they can mine Shiba Inu, but you may find that the hardware is too underpowered to generate worthwhile SHIB rewards. Shiba Inu mining hardware. Besides being underpowered, laptops are also not recommended due to their slender form. Slim, svelte laptops with dedicated GPU are a gamer's dream, but they're a nightmare for crypto mining because of the poor heat dissipation. Serious miners who make profitable earnings use a SICK miners or decked-out PC with several GPU. Check out our best laptops for crypto mining page to get a good idea of which systems are best for minting SHIB based on their internals, dimensions, and thermal results from our in-house testing. You won't earn SHIB at the same rate as owners of a SICK miners, but you'll still be able to collect some rewards. Shiba Inu mining risks. Before diving into SHIB mining, you should know what you're getting yourself into. The first thing you should consider is that crypto is volatile. You can mine 100,000 SHIB in 1 week, worth $5 as of this writing, but the next day, that same amount of SHIB could be worth $1. Here are some other concerns you should keep in mind. Increased wear and tear on your hardware. Crypto mining requires your laptop to be running continuously for hours and hours on end, which may affect the lifespan of your system's internals. Electricity. Laptops packed with beastly GPU that are ideal for mining typically don't have the best battery life, which means you'll have to keep it plugged in all day. This will affect your electricity bill, so think about whether mining is profitable. Energy consumption. SHIB runs on the Ethereum network. It isn't an energy vampire like Bitcoin, but it isn't environmentally friendly either. According to TRG data centers, Bitcoin wastes a whopping 707 kWh of energy per transaction, while ETH uses 62.56 kWh. Ethereum's transition to ETH 2.0. Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin is concerned about ETH environmental effects, so Ethereum is transitioning from a proof-of-work (POW) protocol into a proof-of-stake network (POS). To keep it simple, this means that Ethereum will no longer rely on mining to validate the network. As such, mining will become a thing of the past once ETH 2.0 comes along. GPU shortage and Nvidia's crackdown. Crypto miners are in gamers' crosshairs as GPU gets snatched off the shelves for a crypto generation. Nvidia is taking action against this by implementing crypto limiters on some graphics cards, which drastically reduces their mining performance. How to mine Shiba Inu? To get started on mining SHIB, you'll need a Shiba Inu wallet. This will collect all your SHIB rewards once you've reached your payout threshold. I recommend Atomic Wallet on Android and iOS. When you sign up for an account, make sure you keep the provided seed phrase, a string of 12 words, in a safe place. If you get a new device, you'll need it for security purposes. If you lose it, you can never, and I mean never, retrieve your seed phrase, not even through customer support, which is barely existent. And you won't have access to your crypto wallet anymore. How to mine Shiba Inu on Unminable. Shiba Inu has been the buzz of the crypto world for quite some time. SHIB has increased by 29,600,816% in the last year, according to Crypto Bubbles. This is incredible and by far the fastest rise in cryptocurrency history. Ryoshi, the Shiba Inu token's main developer and originator, has built an ecosystem around SHIB that is rapidly expanding. The SHIB ecosystem now includes 2 more tokens, Leash and Bone, each with a unique use case. To mine with Unminable, simply point your miners to one of Unminable's pools, depending on your mining hardware, graphic card/CPU, just like if you were mining any other POW coin. 1. Go to Unminable's official website and click Download. 2. Install the Unminable Beta Miner software, click on the green button. 3. Extract the file. I'd recommend putting it in an easily accessible location like a folder on your desktop. 4. Double-click on the Unminable Miner 1.1.0 beta file, which will run the Unminable desktop app. How does Unminable allow non-minable coins to be minable? Unminable has created a simple abstraction for both miners and average crypto enthusiasts to begin earning in their preferred cryptocurrency. The fundamental mining technique is based on real-world minable currencies that employ POW. Furthermore, there is an exchanging mechanism that operates in the background and changes the real minable currency rewards to the coin selected by the user. On each award, the conversion is done in real time. It appears as though the user is mining the non-minable currency. Furthermore, there are no additional exchange costs for users to pay. Any potential external fees are already included in their 1% platform charge. There are also no payout or withdrawal fees. Furthermore, if a user chooses a referral code, the platform costs are reduced to 0.75%. How to get started with mining SHIB on Unminable? You'll need to download another software called Phoenix Miner, which works in conjunction with Unminable. What equipment do I need to mine SHIB? Shiba Inu mining consists of several major components. 1. Unminable Miner configuration. The Unminable Miner configuration may be downloaded from the Unminable website's download page, and then you install the application on your PC after extracting the file. This setup is the quickest and most straightforward method of mining your favorite Unminable coin. 2. CPU or GPU. This is determined by your financial resources, as GPU are substantially more expensive than CPU. Furthermore, GPU are more powerful and in the long run can be beneficial when mining these coins. On Unminable, there are 4 POW algorithms. Ethash, Etchash, Kopal, and RandomX are among them. If you don't have a GPU, you should go for RandomX because the other 3 operate best with GPU. The complexity of the algorithm is the deciding factor. 3. Electricity. You must have enough electricity or be able to pay the bill. Mining uses a lot of energy, and your electric bill will almost certainly go up once you start the process. Furthermore, if you can locate alternate sources of electricity, such as solar or wind power, you may minimize the cost of mining while increasing your profit margin. 4. Wallet address. A wallet address is required to mine SHIB, and Unminable just implemented the multi-chain functionality. The graphical user interface website. Description automatically generated. SHIB may be found on both the Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum blockchain. This implies that you may exchange SHIB for a BEP20 or an ERC20 token. A MetaMask wallet is suggested, since it allows you to easily swap between the 2 chains with no restrictions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.